New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the Nasdaq and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Hey everybody, looking in at natural gas. So not the weekly candlestick the bulls want to see here. It is a long upper wick. It is a bullish reversal candlestick, and it is an inside candlestick. So we'll be looking at the range for a break next week. But the bulls want to be up around 280, and we are obviously not up there. So the daily time frame established a base of support at 254, 255. We bounced up to 282, and now we're consolidating and forming a new base of support at 2669. That's a key level. That's the higher low. And now the bulls need to get above 2822 to see a higher low and a higher high. We do have a bullish MACD cross, but it's kind of by default at this point, just trading sideways. We need to see a convincing move over that 2822 and then up to 2875. Zooming in on the hourly time frame, we're seeing weakness, and that is because of the strength of the dollar, along with the overall bearish trend of natural gas. The dollar is at 13-year highs. The correlation between the dollar and commodities is usually inverse, and we're seeing that with a big red day today in gold, oil, and natural gas. And look at the dollar. This is the daily chart. 9 green days in a row. Huge green day today, full-on breakout mode. And I was 15 the last time the dollar was at these prices. So it's a big move to the upside. And that is adding to the weakness that the natural gas bulls are seeing. So they're trying to build a base of support. We are still forming higher lows. We had this low here at 2669. That's that must hold. Higher low at 2681. But still needing to turn this support around. It looks like we're going to have a descending triangle pattern where we've got our base of support here at the 268 level and a declining lower high pattern. So that's the one to watch into tomorrow. And we'll see if we get a clear bull or bear break. And we could definitely fit within this range all day tomorrow. So we'll have to see how it plays out. That's the one I'm going to be watching. And that's what we're looking at. So it is a bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly. It pretty much will be a bullish reversal candlestick no matter what. The question is, how strong will it be? And as of right now, it's not that strong. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll be back to wrap up the week. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a fantastic rest of your night.